Hey guys, you are watching True Technology Tube channel. Here we are unboxing Superlux TM58 series vocal microphone. Superlux TM58 microphone is dynamic type microphone. In this you do not need separate power. This is a cardioid pattern microphone. It will make stage performance much better as compared to other microphones, because these are excellent for reducing background noise. This microphone is designed for speech and performance. Let's talk about microphone specifications. This microphone has cardioid pattern. Frequency response is 50 to 18,000 Hz. Maximum SPL is 155 dB. Connector type 3-pin male XLR. It has metal structure. Let's see the box of microphone. Front we have company branding, mic picture. This side has mic name and mic picture. Here we get information of microphone. Time to open the box. Let's see what comes inside the package. We have one user manual. Microphone clip accessories. And one Superlux TM58 microphone. Design and build quality of microphone is good. There is 3-pin male XLR connector. Top side of microphone. Now time to open another box, which is same as first box. Here we again get Superlux TM58 microphone with user manual and accessories. Alright. These are Superlux TM58 microphones. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.